Sarah here, reporting on Cytech Heating and Cooling, a Diamond certified heating and air conditioning company serving residential and commercial clients in Hidalgo, Cameron, Starr, and Willacy Counties. General Manager Matt Cyphers and his team have extensive experience working on all types of HVAC systems, and they're also qualified to clean ducts, install VRF units, and take on indoor air quality projects. Since 1991, Cytech Heating and Cooling has built a reputation for solving complex HVAC issues that other professionals can't handle. Mr. Cyphers says the company is committed to education and transparency, ensuring customers fully understand their options before making decisions. By providing around-the-clock service and direct communication with real people, not recordings, Cytech Heating and Cooling prioritizes customer satisfaction at every stage of the HVAC process. As Mr. Cyphers says, the company strives to remain a leader in the HVAC industry by focusing on integrity, technical excellence, and personalized service.